So let's continue on in our same model. And what we'd like to do is make some changes to the model. Right now, we're on our piece of paper basically in our draft 2D file. And I'd like to get rid of this cutout, for example. So to get out of this 2D part, all we need to do is just come to any one of these and double click. Double click, and that takes us back to our actual 3D model. I'm just going to look at this from the top view. I'm going to come in here and box pick just around this. Delete. And now that's gone. Let's change it with a circle. So I'll lock to this face, and I'll just put a circle anywhere. And I'll cut through right there. And let's, for fun, we'll just pick on this face and we'll move that in a little ways. And another thing I'd like to do is come up to View, Part Painter, change that red face, change that to cyan, and let's also change this face to cyan. And now you have to save your model for this to update on the drawing sheet. So I'll hit Save, and you can see up here, there's my part and there's my draft file. So I could just come out and get out of the part file. Let's just hit the X right there in this case. So this is still open, the draft file. What's happened here, I'm getting this message saying one or more drawing views is out of date. So all I need to do is just come and touch on any of these models and then come up here to Update View. So I'm just going to click on Update View. And now those boxes all disappear. If I zoom in and look at this, you can see now the circle's there and that face has been moved. And again, the cutout there is gone. So whatever changes are made to the model automatically update on the detail sheet. Now let's look at the colors for our model. I'll come and touch on the model. Over here on the left, I want to look at shading options. I'll change this to shaded. Now the box is around it again saying it's waiting for the updates. So I'll come back up to Update View. And now it's modified the colors to match the actual model. Remember, this was red. We changed it to cyan. Now another thing to remember, while placing dimensions, it's very simple. But the reality is, it looks simple, but a great deal of skill and knowledge is required to correctly dimension a print.